Welcome back to my channel.
Dialogue 1. Look at the car chase on TV.
That driver is crazy.
I can't believe he hasn't crashed.
How fast is he going?
They say he's going 80 miles per hour.
He's going to kill someone.
Look! He just hit that car.
Oh, my goodness. No one is safe on the streets.
Now he's slowing down.
Maybe he ran out of gas.
Look! He just got out of the car and started running.
I hope the police catch him.
Dialogue 2. I love my computer.
Computers are so cool.
I love to go online.
The internet is amazing.
You can travel all over the world.
I know. I went to China yesterday.
What did you do?
I stood on the Great Wall and looked all around.
What was it like?
It was like the real thing.
It was like being there?
Yes, I felt like I was actually there.
Dialogue 3. Let's go to a movie.
I'd rather not.
Why not?
You know I don't like crowds.
Let's go to an early movie.
Okay, that won't be very crowded.
What would you like to see?
Oh, I don't care. You're the one who wants to go out.
Well, I want to see The Pursuit of Happiness.
What have you heard about it?
It's based on a true story about a divorced man and his young son.
Well, I hope it has a happy ending. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 4. What's your favorite thing to do?
I like to watch people.
That's your favorite thing to do?
Well, it's one of them.
Where do you go to watch people?
My girlfriend and I sit outside Starbucks.
That sounds like a good spot.
We watch people walk by with their dogs.
I guess you see lots of different dogs.
We don't even know what kind most of them are.
There are lots of different kinds, but they all have one thing in common.
Yes, they love to sniff each other when they meet.
Dialogue 5. They call him Father Dollar Bill.
Yes, he was on the TV news today.
Every Easter Sunday he gives away money.
Is it his money?
No. Movie stars give him money to give to homeless people.
How much money does he give away?
This year he gave away $15,000.
That's a lot of money.
He gave $100 to people in wheelchairs.
What about the other homeless people?
They got $1 each.
People stood in line just to get $1?
Dialogue 6. Old movies are the best.
even though they're in black and white.
A good story is more important than color.
Actors didn't curse back then.
And there was no violence.
People today don't like that.
No, today people like lots of action.
I like a good story.
I like to see actors who are like real people.
Like real people with real problems.
They still make movies like that.
Yes, but they never make much money.
Dialogue 7. Do you get PBS on TV?
Yes, everybody gets the public broadcasting system.
It puts me to sleep.
Tell me about it.
A gardening show follows a knitting show.
A cooking show follows a sewing show.
A travel show follows another travel show.
I'll say. I've gone around the world a dozen times already.
Now they're adding old TV shows to the old movies.
I sure would like to see something interesting for a change.
If more people donate money, PBS could offer new shows.
Who wants to donate? Public TV should be free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 8. I love to watch Judge Judy.
Is that a TV show?
Yes. It's on every afternoon.
What's so good about it?
They have interesting lawsuits.
Such as?
Yesterday, a woman complained about a cell phone she bought on eBay.
Was something wrong with the phone?
It works only in Canada.
Did the seller know that?
Yes, and he didn't tell the buyer.
I hope Judge Judy made the seller take the phone back.
Dialogue 9. That woman is a very good singer.
Yes, but she looks like a man.
What difference does it make?
Female singers are supposed to be pretty.
Singers are supposed to sound good.
They should look good, too.
There are lots of ugly men singers.
Men singers don't have to look good.
Then neither do women singers.
Well, I would never buy her CD.
But you would buy her CD if she was pretty?
Yes. I would buy all of her CDs.
Dialogue 10. All the TV stations are going to go digital.
Yes, that will occur next month.
Most of them are already broadcasting in digital.
The digital signal is very clear.
Oh, no, it isn't.
What do you mean?
I can't get a single channel.
Do you have a digital TV?
Of course. But I don't have cable.
You don't need to have cable, but you do need a good antenna.
But I have rabbit ears.
Rabbit ears aren't strong enough. Buy a digital antenna.
Dialogue 11. I think you're very pretty.
Thank you.
Would you have dinner with me?
I would like to.
Can I pick you up Friday night?
What time?
8 o'clock.
That sounds great.
We'll go to a French restaurant.
I've never been to a French restaurant.
I think you'll love the food.
I'm not going to eat any snails. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 12. You have pretty eyes.
Thank you. So do you.
I wish my eyes were blue.
What's the matter with green eyes?
Nothing, except my favorite color is blue.
Maybe in your next life you'll have blue eyes.
But what if I'm a fish in my next life?
I think some fish have blue eyes.
I hope I don't come back as a fish.
I hope I come back as a cat.
Cats have beautiful eyes.
I would love to have blue cat eyes.
Dialogue 13. I love you.
I love you, too.
I loved you the first day I saw you.
It was love at first sight?
Yes, it was love at first sight.
I didn't love you at first.
I know. I had to chase you for a while.
Yes, you chased me, and then you caught me.
Now you're mine forever.
And you're mine forever.
We'll grow old together.
And be happy together.
Dialogue 14. I'm in love with that girl.
Have you told her?
Of course not.
Why not?
She would laugh at me.
How do you know?
Because they always do.
Maybe she's different.
They're all the same.
Just ask her out to dinner.
And then what?
And then she'll know that you like her.
Dialogue 15. Give me a hug.
I'm not in the mood.
What's the matter?
I saw you looking at that woman.
What woman?
You know, that woman with the big boobs.
I was not looking at her.
You were, too.
I'm not interested in her.
Then why were you looking at her?
I was looking at something else.
Oh, really? Then spend tonight looking at the sofa.